participating for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our theme is Atmanirbhar Bharat. The project name is Smart Farming Toolkit for Agriculture and Water Conservation. The team name is Nano Robos. Our team members are Aryan, Snira, Yashika. The project objectives. Our project helps in water conservation. It enhances the soil quality and improves irrigation. The problems faced by the farmers in today's modern world are: the farmers lack access to reliable local real-time soil data about moisture, temperature and fertility. The overuse of fertilizers harms the soil health. The modern farming used by a farmer leads to water wastage.
Our solution. Purpose. Track zone temperature to optimize planting and irrigation timing. So, the components that are used in this project are soil moisture sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, and microcontroller ESP32. So execution is the soil moisture sensor can go up to 10 to 20 centimeter at the depth of the root of the soil. Water conservation features. Soil moisture based irrigation scheduling reduces unnecessary water use. Variable rate irrigation VRI for fields with special variability. Automated drip scheduling plus fertigation optimization to combine water and nutrients. Drought alerts and long-term moisture trend analysis for crop planting.
Benefits for farmers. The reduced water and input cost, higher yields through time, irrigation and fertilization, no labor requirements and less guesswork of how much water is needed and fertilizers are needed. Scalable small plots to large farms. Rentable sensors as a service model possible. They can save liters of water every day.
So this is a prototype model. The prototype model shows that how much about the information of soil, like the soil moisture, the temperature of the soil, and the humidity of the soil. And if there is anything that is used in the soil, then there is a soil solution which tells us about the problem in the soil. Like in this soil, the soil is too wet, so the solution is to reducing the watering of the soil.
Future use of AI and data analytics to have closed alerts, seed germination windows, crop disease alert, etc. Multiple local languages, use of multiple advanced sensors, example pH sensor.
Thank you.